Is it possible to say that Industry 4.0 is not just about implementing new technologies and making large investments in equipment, software, robots, and education? It is a vision of how the companies change the way they have been working so far. MES and Industry 4.0 International Summit is the largest event for MES professionals in Europe. We are bringing together top industry leaders and manufacturing experts from around the world to connect and share ideas about the Industry 4.0 vision and reality, about the increasing value of software in the factories of the future, and about the role of MES as the backbone of digital transformation. Fresh ideas, new perspectives, tech strategies, trends and inspirations from manufacturing thought leaders. MES and Industry 4.0 International Summit offers all of this in the world's leading city break destination, the beautiful and vibrant city of Porto. So join us on September 7 and 8 and connect for a smarter future at the MES and Industry 4.0 International Summit.